Welcome to our Govee Lyra floor lamp tutorial. What you see here is everything included in your Lyra lamp box. The top lamp hole piece has a closed head, the middle piece has widely spaced holes, and the bottom piece has a set of closely spaced holes. Firstly, take the top piece with the closed head and slide one long attachment part into it. Match up the holes and fix in place with two short screws. Next, slide the middle piece into the other end of the attachment part and fix in place with two more short screws. Do the same with the other long attachment part and the bottom piece. Next, screw the shortest attachment part into the two closely spaced holes at the end of the bottom piece. Now your lamp pole is ready to be fitted into the base. Slide the bottom of the pole into the lamp base. Secure the pole with two long screws. To install the silicone strip light, connect its wires to the wires in the base, making sure to match the wire colors. Fold the wires into the lamp pole and press in just a few inches of the strip light into the bottom of the pole. Next, press in a few inches of the strip light into the top of the pole. Lastly, press in the middle of the strip light before finishing the rest above and below. It may feel too long, but inserting the top and bottom first will ensure a perfect fit. Looks great! Fit the remote mount, remove the plastic tab, and magnetically connect the remote. You can easily remove the mount by twisting it. And that's Lyra. We truly hope you enjoy.